Hello people. So I just forgot something in my bike and I went to pick up my mic from there. We are actually going towards Mainapi waterfall right now. It's a trek which is around 45 minutes, they say 5 kilometers, but the forest guy told us it's 2 hours to walk because of the terrain. It takes longer time, although it's 5 kilometers. And here we have Cedric with us.
Hi guys, I'm here for the view and the food.
So there's not much rainfall right now. On the way we got a little, but thank God it's not raining here. It would be a little difficult.
Guys, just an update on the trek. We've reached 2.2 kilometers something approx as per the smartwatch. We have another 2.5 to go. So let's see. So guys, if you are planning to go and you are wondering if you are fit, not fit for the trek, I am basically a guy who does not go to the gym. He does not have any personal trainer or nutrition expert. So I've still managed to cross 2.2 kilometers something. So yeah, I'm still doing good. I have energy to go to the waterfalls and come back.
Hey guys, so we have climbed up and there's I think another 2 kilometers to go. So we're just having something on the way to replenish our energies. And
Guys, if you are coming, just an update. We have crossed almost 85% of the route one way. We are still yet to reach the main falls. Well, this route is all about up climbs and down climbs. It will make you a bit breathless on the way, but yes, you will get there if you have
and you will boost your stamina also. If you keep walking and going for treks like this, you'll boost your stamina. So I encourage you and we encourage you all to go for treks and Goa.
Suit up, boot up and fill your tanks up and go on a trek somewhere close by in your area.
Do carry some water and something to eat and take some stopovers because you can't just keep walking. You'll get out of breath and may faint. So just take some breaks in the middle when you'll come here, or irregardless of any waterfall that you'll go.
Guys, we just came from the waterfall and we are, I think, on top now. It's fabulous down. We had carried some light lunch and we're doing good. We just stopped on the way before we head back down and having some warm water. And yeah, I'm enjoying myself.
With this, I end my video, and if you all have liked this video, then please click on the subscribe button down there and give a thumbs up. Take care. See you all in the next videos.